Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we are in Connecticut, where our destination is Castle Craig, which is in Hubbard State Park. We actually drove here thinking that we were going to be driving to a trailhead, but instead we actually drove right up to Castle Craig, which was a little bit of a disappointment because we like to hike a trail up to our destination. So what we did is we found a trail that was leading to Castle Craig, and we're actually backtracking to a really cool viewpoint right now. So we hiked a lot of downhill to get to this really awesome viewpoint. So we're gonna get some cool footage of that, and then we're gonna take the hike back up as if we're hiking to Castle Craig, and then we'll be able to see that. So stay tuned. So on this Metacomet trail, on the way to the lookout, there are this trail just like separates in a bunch of locations, and we pretty much just have to stay left, but they all kind of connect again at some point anyway. But pretty sure we're going the right way. If we're not, it's going to be one heck of an adventure. All right, so we see some water through these trees. That must mean that we're getting close to the overlook. All right guys, so we definitely took a wrong turn somewhere, and we went way down further than we were supposed to go, because we're actually supposed to be up there. We're supposed to be up on those rocks right there, and that's where the overlook is. But we definitely took a wrong turn, and on the bright side, we get a nice view of the reservoir now. So all that downhill we were talking about, we gotta go do that right now. And it turns out we didn't have to do all that to begin with, but here we are because we didn't take our turn. All right guys, now that we have familiarized ourselves with this place, we are actually taking the yellow trail back, which is a shorter but harder trail. We're taking a little shortcut here to get to where we're supposed to be going. And this is where our shortcut took us, back to the same trail that we went by. We are back to the very, very steep part, which is apparently called the spur. So this is about to be really brutal. Whoo, buddy. Excuse my hard breathing, but that was pretty tough. But I think we have found the Metacomet trail.
I just saw somebody doing it.
Oh really?
I saw that giant boulder.
We decided to stop back and see Millie. She is the carrier of water. On our way to the overlook. I can't believe that just happened to us. All that steep. I know, we just passed it, like not even 0.1 miles into the trail from the parking lot. This trail is right here, and we didn't even have to do any of that downhill or any of that uphill. And not even 2 minutes into this trail, it is stunning up here. We were like right here. We have finally made it to our viewpoint. Through all the adversities, it was definitely worth it. Unfortunately, we have to leave these great views, but the good news is we might get some even better ones from Castle Craig. All right, so after enjoying those views at the lookout point, now we're heading up to Castle Craig. Should be some pretty sick views up there. Let's go. And this is the parking lot that I was telling y'all about when we thought it was gonna be a hike up to Castle Craig, but it's actually just a pull-up point to Castle Craig. And this is the castle, check it out. All right, guys, so I just crashed my drone for the first time and it was really bad. I just lost complete control of it. It just like had a mind of its own and it just completely crashed in these woods. Oh, I found it. I literally found it. It looks fine. Holy cow, how did I find it that easy? That's crazy. But yeah, this is literally the first time that I've ever had something like this happen with it. It just completely lost signal and it just like had a mind of its own. I couldn't move it at all or control it at all. And it just took off and went straight into the freaking woods. Wow. If it would have tumbled down this cliff that it's sitting on or hit a rock instead of grass, that would have been really bad. Look, it's still on. It's very dirty. Wow. It literally looks like nothing happened. Oh, a little bit of propeller damage. But other than that, she looks great. Let's just cut her off. Whew. I need to figure out why that happened so it never happens again. Wow. Well, you're gonna get a nice cleaning, get all the dirt particles out of your crevices, and we're gonna keep doing this video. All right, guys, so after experiencing a potentially fatal drone landing, we are still going up to Castle Craig to explore it. So we're about to head up. Yeah, whenever that drone started crashing and I lost control, I didn't have any control over it with the controller at all. It just like almost had a mind of its own and it just dove into the forest. My heart sank and all I wanted to do was just run, just go try to find it. Luckily it was super easy to find though. We are at the top of Castle Craig. All right, guys, so that was Metacomet Trail and Castle Craig. Hope you guys enjoyed. My GoPro's about to die, so I'll see y'all in the next video.